Okay, let's move another question. Please look at question 3. Okay. My mass is 4 kilogram, blah, blah, X is 5. Just, I want to come here. Maybe I want to make zoom out. Okay. It gives some information. I want to come the keyword, calculate the work done by gravity as particle moves from O to C, OAC, OBC. How can we find? Okay, I know work is F delta R. Delta R is displacement. Be careful for this one. I know that one. What is displacement? Just assume I start from A and I move here, running, maybe shopping. I go many places, and then I come to B point. If I ask what's the displacement between A and B, you need to show, should I take all of them or should I take smallest path? Of course, I have to care smallest path for displacement. If I ask what is the total distance, of course, I have to calculate all paths. I mean that part. But I am talking about this displacement. For this question, look at here. From O, I start from O to A, from A to C. This is my first path. Say path 1. I mean A part. Maybe I can call A. Path A. And what is the path? This B. This part, it starts from O to B to from B to C. This is the second path. And last one from O to C. What's the displacement? Okay, I start from O and my last point is C. So I have to take this part. You can see I start from O and then go to C. My displacement will be that part. I know this part is 5 and this part is 5. There is triangle here, of course. This must be 5 root of square 2. Okay. For A, my displacement will be 5 point blah blah meter. Did you understand? Just, of course, I have some path. Of course, I have some distance, but I have to care smallest path, smallest distance between 2 points. So this is my first point, and the second point, I have to care smallest way, which is that one. Maybe I need to change my color. I am talking about this one, path. Okay, look at the other one. I start from O to B and to C. What is my first point? This is initial part, and last point mean final point. You need to take smallest way between initial to final way. So again, this displacement will be, say this is A, delta R will say B, F equals this distance. Okay, look at C. This is this part. It is asking the work between O to C point. Okay, it is same displacement. Again, for section C, my displacement will be that number. You can see all of them are same. And if we look at F, of course, what's the F? It is asking work done by gravity. I know F is gravity, gravitational force. which is mg. You can do it. This is math part. And so work will be mg and delta r. M is 5, is it? M is 4. G is, you can take 10. And delta R is 5 multiply square of root 2. Okay. So all of them are same because displacement is same. Even you can take, I wake up and then I leave from my home and I went to I go to job working there, and then I go to gym, and then finally I come back to my home. What is my work? Work is 0. I think this is like life. You can say for all day your work is 0 because you come back to your home. Your displacement is 0. Okay, we can move other question. I will not solve this one because it is about chapter 4. It is about projectile movement. Just I want to show something. Look at here. The work done by gravitational force. It's again asking work by done gravitational force. It means F delta R. Oops, sorry. Come on. A second. Yes. F. Come on, come here. F delta R. But what is my displacement? What's saying? P to B. It starts from P and B. Which one should I care? What you are thinking? Which path should I take? Okay, my gravitational force is always on y direction. If my force is that direction, sorry, I couldn't draw it. Okay, say this is minus y direction. So should I take delta R like that, or should I care this one? This one, which one should I care? Just I have to care. Okay, I have to care y component because my force is on y direction. Look at here. Should I care this path because it starts from P and it comes back to P point? So of course my displacement from P to here on y direction is 0 because I am talking about gravitation on y direction. I have to care y direction. Okay, please look at that part. Because of this scalar product, unity care always same direction. Unity care parallel force and displacement. Okay, and finally, just look at here. Should I? It comes from P. Say this is P, and you can bring P here. Sorry. Okay, because it's same, I have to cancel this part. Displacement is 0, but you need to care this part. Okay, because this distance is parallel to gravity here. I have to care this part. I don't need to care x direction because it is not relevant to y direction. So my displacement will be 60 meters from T to B. Did you understand this part? Of course, you can say, you may think, look at here. Start from here to that way. But it comes to same, oops, sorry. It comes to same points on y direction. So please forget x direction because force and gravity is same. So force, gravitational force and distance on same direction must be on same direction. You need to care this part, or you know, G is mg, just you need to multiply all of them. What's the m? M is 0.5 kilometer, G is 10, and then work will be G delta R, mgh. You can see. Okay.